What's up mga repa ko, Mamshi? So, kamusta kayo dyan? I hope you're doing fine. So, for today's video, may mga ayusin lang ako dito sa bahay na mga konting buting-ting. Kasi may nabigay sa atin ng bunk bed ng kambal. So, we have to fix it. Actually, naumpisahan ko na siya eh. Pero na-realize ko lang nung bandang nasa gitna na ako na video. So yun na. Hindi porket bago bahay namin eh. I mean, may bahay ay kailangan bago lahat ang nasa loob. So, yan. Ang hirap nga lang pala dito sa bagong camera ko, kasi bago to, bigay ng Verizon, is that hindi ko magawa yung yung from front camera tapos maging back camera. So mahirap siya. So, ayan siya. Ayan. Nakita nyo, no? Names pa siya. So, ayan ang gagawin natin ngayon. Project natin ngayon, no? Samahan nyo ako mga repa. Kompleto ng mga tools natin. So, ayan. Ayusin natin ito. So, yan na gawa na natin, no? Yung sa baba. Tapos sa taas. Bunk bed siya rin, hindi mataas talaga. Kumbaga, may hill lang siya mula sa baba. So, konti na lang. Isang part na lang. Then, goods to go na. So yun mga repa, no? Nakakapagod din, nakakahingal, pero fulfilling. Gaya nga ng sabi ko, no? Hindi lahat ng mga gamit dito sa bahay is lahat pinapasok namin bago. So kapag malamang may nakita kami sa marketplace, so bigay ng mga kaibigan na okay pa, na mapakinabangan pa. So, syempre, tinatanggap din namin yun. Kasi nga, laking tipid din nun, ha? Kasi pag brand new, gagastos ka. Siyempre, lalo't nakakakuha mo palang bahay. So, maraming gastusin talaga yan. So, pero yung may iba rin na bago. Katulad nung napanood yun sa vlog ko. Napunta kami sa Rooms to Go. Yun. Pero ano yun, installment naman yun. Tsaka 0% yan. Kaya sulit na sulit din. Sa natin, yung pala itsura ng mga bahay, kahit bahay natin dito sa harapan, no? Itong isang to, madali na to kasi may abang na siya. Palit na lang. Mabilis lang. Nabili ko lang to sa sa Lowe's. Magkano lang to? $3 lang to. Yan, pero kasi may iba't ibang sukat yan. 31-inch wide, 64-inch length. So, sinukat ko muna talaga siya. Madali na tanggalin to eh. I-clip mo lang to. Ito. Yan o. Pagka naano mo yan. Ayan o. Ganun lang o. Pangat lang. Ito yung laman ng box na yan o. 31 inch yan. So, naligo muna pala tayo mga repa bago magkabit ulit ng bago magkabit ng ating blinds kasi medyo maalikabok yung yung bunk bed eh. So naligo muna tayo. Yun. So dali lang to kasi may abang na. So walang hirap to. Alright. Pasok na to. Ayun na ba? Yun. Yun. Yan na. Pasok na. Okay na. Ayos na. Ayos na. Oops. So yun o. Ayos. Yeah. Ano lang siya mga repa. John, are you excited with your bed? Tumakbo na. Tumakbo na siya sa bed niya.
Yeah, they're excited, Daddy.
Let's see nga, let's see. Oh, ang ganda ng bed niyo ah. Who fixed that bed? Wow. Are you going to sleep here tonight? Wow, it's complete.
Yes.
Nakakatuwahan no. Kanina na ko lang ginawa.
Wow.
Diba?
So that's their own bed now. What did you say to Tita Awesome? And Charlie?
Tita Awesome.
And Kuya?
Charlie.
Charlie. And Tito?
Chucky.
Chucky.
Ito na mo, yan ay, ganda pala no.
Thank you.
We're gonna decorate this one, your room, okay? Yan ha, di ba? Silang kwarto.
Decorate that.
Decorate, I'll put decoration.
Lights?
Neon lights. Like stars, like moons.
Yeah.
Alright, okay? Happy sila mga repa, mga mamsyo. Sulit yung napagpagurang ko ah.
Oo nga. Thank you,
Ayos.
Pastor Kenny, for helping you out.
Ayun nga, no? Si Pastor Kenny nagbitbit yan.
Yeah.
The next day.
Repa, nagbabalot pala tayo ng gift ngayon, no? Kasi malapit na yung birthday ng kambal. So, yan. Habang nasa taas yung kambal, balutin ko na to. Mabilisan lang. Siya, nakaready na rin yung mga pag-games nila. Yung mga gifts. Tsaka mga prizes sa games. Yan, pati yung mga... Pwede ba, mayroon tayong kwadong candy tsaka chocolate milk, pati mga dips nito. So, ready na si Mami. Nakapag-shopping na siya. Ayan. Tingnan nga natin ginawa ng dalawa to. What did you do?
Can you see our kids?
Sure, of course. Did you decorate your kids' room?
Yeah.
Are you excited to show it to me? Alright, they're so excited to show it to me, mga repa. Let's see about that. Wow, this is your kids' room?
Yeah.
You put all your plushies there.
These are the plushies.
Okay, plushies box.
And Jenga.
Oh, yeah. And your books. Kids.
I said it wrong too. It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Just change the
Kids
B.
room.
Very good. Kids room.
And where's the stick?
Finally, mga repa, it's Saturday. It's a good day. Yeah.
School. Read that.
It's no school. Yeah, it's Saturday.
Leaves are red.
Oh, yeah. The leaves are turning red, right?
Yeah. It's sunny.
All right, Jaden. Time for you to bike. I think it's a good time to bike, right? Yung isa naman, mag-trampoline daw siya. So it's is it wet, Johan? No. All right, good. All right, just be careful, Naka. Okay, you go straight there in the neighborhood. You can bike outside in the neighborhood. Just when there's a car, go to the side, and then pull over the side, and then just stop. Okay. Okay. Enjoy your biking. I got to McDonald's. All right. Take care. Send regards for me to Clark and the LA and Ate Taria. They will come here on your birthday. What's that? Oh, there's a lot.
Delivered. Is that a piano?
I don't know. What's this?
It's delivered. Delivered. She's so
Is it
big.
for us?
Yep.
What's this?
Daddy, you just delivered that, Daddy.
I don't know this. Okay, let's see about this, okay?
Do
May
this.
package tayo dumating, ang laki.
Package.
It's a package, yeah. Let's take a look on that, okay? Don't sit on that.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Go. Go around, go around.
Go around.
Oh, look at the geese. Those are geese. Yan ang mga goose, malaki. Milipad sila. Alright. It's Saturday, kaya naman excited sila lumabas ngayon, mga repa, mga moms, no? So, dito sa aming neighborhood, wala masyadong sasakyan dito kasi hindi naman siya talagang daanan ng sasakyan. So, guys, are you ready? Where's your sleeper snack? Yan, yan. So, they will help me now to open the packages, okay? Alright?
I want to open it.
Sure. Oh, Jaden. So, Jaden will be the one, will be my videographer today. Oh, say hello.
Hello. Are you ready to open the packages? Yeah.
Alright. Don't put their hands here. Just only here. The touch here. Like that. No, no, no. Like that. Like this, like this.
Oh.
Okay? Yeah.
The package is so hard.
The one is our videographer. Hopefully, makuha niya na maganda.
Okay. No.
This is the this is the look to them.
What?
This is the load, the weights.
The birthday.
Oh, let's open the other packages. Go.
Where's the package? Oh.
Stay here, stay here. Just stay there. Okay. All right.
And
Oh, you want here? Okay.
where's it? Trying to see.
Yeah, sure. You can sit. Oh, yeah. Can sit. You're still taking picture.
Repas.
What to say?
Repas.
Kumusta kayo mga repa?
Masana. Repa.
How are you mga repa?
How are you, Repa?
Oh wow.
Whoa.
So,
What's it now?
this one?
You just see that? Wait, you got me. Is that piano or not?
No, it's not a piano.
Silly me.
Do the rest, Daddy. When you lie down,
Oops.
Daddy. Do the rest and lie down. I have Gabby.
Is it a sofa? What is this?
It's not
So hot.
What is
right.
what is this? What is this,
I
Daddy?
think we should continue to build this one later because it's hot, right?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Good.
Yeah, the hot is very good.
Let's do it later. So this is the canopy, the umbrella
Whoa.
canopy.
Ooh, the seat.
So this is
Ooh, I like it.
You can build it now.
You can build it on the backyard.
yep.
Ooh.
It's like a beach.
Let's see how to build it first, okay?
Okay, Repa.
Okay, Repa.
Okay, my dad.
So let's go back inside first. Let's go. Let's sleep first.
Okay.
What?
We're rolling now.
We are rolling again.
We're rolling
Ra-
again.
Repa. We're rolling again, Repa.
Again, mga repa. So now it's easier, okay? Oh, good.
Not as easy.
Not as easy? It's easy, though. Almost easy.
Ripanas. Okay, Dad. Did you know now?
Yeah.
Good.
Taking a good video?
Yeah, I'm taking a video.
Dito mga repa, no? At least, mabanding pa yung anak mo sa mga gawaing bahay dito. Kasi they are interested on what I'm doing.
Okay.
Right now. And Johan wants to take a video of it. And Jaden is also watching me. So, are you enjoying, guys?
Yes.
Can you see me in the camera, na?
Yeah.
So that you can show all your subscribers what we are doing here. Okay? Ito nga pala nabilat sa Amazon, worth 120 lang.
Yeah.
This is a patio umbrella, outdoor. It's good.
Yes.
Malaman natin kung ito may good talaga.
Okay.
It's a nice day.
It's a nice day.
Jaden, Repa, are you enjoying?
Yeah, I'm enjoying.
I hope this will be fast.
Okay.
It comes with a wrench, of course.
Opo.
Opo.
Yeah.
Opo.
Opo.
So Johan knows how to say opo and po.
I know how to say opo.
Yeah, that's a Filipino culture of
Oh
saying
no.
yes and no. That's a respectful way on how to say yes or no. Yeah.
Yes
So-
or no?
Tinuturuan namin sila magsalita ng po at opo
Opo, hindi po.
para even though they're here in the United States, they still know how to speak Tagalog and know how to be respectful. Diba, Nak?
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
So we're done with this one. The next thing is that yung ating repa yung final na, no? So ito na yung final. Yan. Nalagyan natin tubig. Ang bigat niyan. So sturdy na siya. Pwede na siya. Alright. Ayos. Mainit nga lang. Inassemble namin ng alas 11 maaga. Ngayon naman talaga sobrang araw. Pero ang ganda. Atagal kaming hindi naarawan. So okay lang. Alright, Jaden. Are you hungry, Jaden? So nagutom sila. So mabilisan lang kami McDonald's.
Look our dolls.
Yeah.
These are all the states.
Johan, are you very hungry?
Yeah.
What is that? Ah, yeah, that's a state.
Those
So,
are the USA states.
so ito, talaga dito sa US, talaga maaasahan tong McDo kasi mabilis. Kaya pa kasi ako luto eh. So, lobas kami para kumain. Yan, they enjoy naman their fries and nuggets.
Let me taste chocolate. Not just with ketchup.
Wow.
Is this mustard? Let me try it. What is this?
Ay, mga repa, mga mabilisan lang, no? Namili lang ako sa Grand Mart ng mga kailangan kasi nagkikrave ako dito eh. Walaan nyo kung ano to. Mas may ganyan. Very good. Yan ay bilo-bilo. Nag-crave tayo eh. So, yeah, bila tuloy tayo na paggawa. At saka na pa YouTube. So, gawa tayo ng bilo-bilo ngayon mga repa. Let's go. bisita tayo. Tapos yung Charmaine, tsaka Sir Boy ito. Siyempre, kailangan meron tayong parakyano sa ginawa nating ano. Eh, nakagayat-gayat na natin yan. Hindi natin nakuha tapos sinalo-halo na lang natin yan, no? So, tingnan natin ang may judge tayo, dalawa. Kung may-taste on tayo, kung pasado ba tong bilo-bilo na to. So far, sa labot mukha eh. Lasa naman, okay naman. Kaso, tigas lumambot ng kamuting kahoy. Parang kamuting kahoy ng Universe, ano to, Mars, ha? Tigas eh. Galaro na yung mga bata sa labas. Nakakatuwa tignan. Merong yung ano, magic sarap.
Kailangan ng ano?
Kailangan ng unang... ayan, first ha. First time ko magluto niyan. Naku, parang itingin sa akin ni Bukit. Parang ano
Sarap. Malinom lang. Parang may ice cream.
Kala ko parang may magic sarap eh.
Parang ano to, judging ng cooking show
Malinom na.
Titigman ko nga, baka ano. Creamy ha.
Ice cream na mainit.
Creamy ha. Sige, titigman natin. Ba, mukhang okay ha. Alright. Kaso dapat may pugo pa yan eh. Tikman natin to mga repa, mga mamsan. Tingnan natin, baka binubuhol lang tayo ng mag-asawa eh. Problema dito nga pala sa ano, bagong phone ko to. Hindi siya pwedeng, pagka nandyan na, hindi na siya ma-forward. Unlike yung Samsung.
Anong phone ba?
Pina-trade in ko eh sa Google. Yung bago na Google na, nakalibre eh. Okay. Ayun. Okay naman. Lasa naman. Natutuwa sa si Charmaine nito, asawa ko. Gusto niya rin to eh. Paborito niya to eh. So, ganito lang pala gumawa ha. At yung mag-asawa, talaga mo.
Sarap. Ulit pa ako, promise.
Ayos ah. Galing ah.
Parang maliit nga yung binigay mo sa akin lalagyan eh.
Okay ah. Sayang sila Ma'am Jasmine. Inggitin natin sila Ma'am Jasmine dito. Nakalakad daw sila eh. Habang kami kumakain mga bala doon, ma'am.
Pwede na siya tumikim ng ano. Bilo-bilo.
Napagod sila eh. Ayan. Ayun, nahuli natin si Ma'am Char. Maulit pa. Ano Ma'am Char, masarap ba? Chamba ah, chamba lang yan.
Pangalawang balik ko na nga to eh.
Ako rin. Kain niya siya, masarap nga. Ako hindi ko yung bola ah. Sarap siya. Tama nga sila yung kasama. First time yan, mama. Videographer ko pa si Ma'am Char.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, and liberty and justice for all.
Very good! Good, you know how to recite the pledge.